welcome back to the channel, to the Civic Life. And today, like I promised on the last video, I'm gonna go to every single mod I have done to the car. So let's get into it. All right, first of all, I want to say thank you guys for the support for the last video. I saw you guys commenting and a lot of likes too, a lot of views. So once again, I appreciate you guys making this happen. So here I am, make some more content for you guys. So let's start up. All right, so let's get started. First of all, the headlights. I got this two pair of headlights out of Amazon, and I think they look pretty decent. They made the car look way newer. How they look like? They have the DRLs and the side markers over there smoked, so I think it looks pretty good. Now that we're in the front end, I'm gonna talk about the front grille. So you guys can see, this is not a stock front grille.
Nice.
Okay, I got that one from eBay. It was a birthday present. So yeah, I think the front end is pretty good. Of course, in the future, we're just gonna get the front lip, maybe like a front bumper conversion for the two fog lights. I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments, and that's what you guys want to see on this car. So yeah, let's get moving. If we come from this angle from the car, you guys can tell the four rims, I'm sorry. I got it from Facebook Marketplace. I think they were a pretty good deal, especially for how cheap they were. But yeah, this is how the car looks like. Again, as you guys can tell, the car is lowered. The car is sitting on some Rep 9 coilovers. All right, so we're gonna get down here so you guys can see better. So right here, you guys can see a little bit of the Rep 9 coilovers. This one right there is the chock, because this is a divorce system on these cars. So the front of the car is a true coilover. This one is a chock, and the spring is right back there. So they're different. As you guys can see, this is an adjustable control arm. I don't know what brand it is, but I got it off Amazon. So it'll help me adjust my camber. So if I ever want to put more camber on this wheel, I can definitely do that. Like I said, I want to put some camber and make the fender go kind of like about there to make it look like a little bit more low on the rear. This is how the car is sitting right now, outside wise. And the most important thing, we are completely muffless. So I don't know if you guys can tell back there, but it's like all the way back there. I did a muffler delete on this car. A lot of you guys are gonna hate, but I don't give a fuck. It sounds great. It pops. It does the job. For this, the car was completely quiet, and I think the muffler delete definitely helped me enjoying this car better on the daily drive. Right here, as you guys can tell, I got some upgraded rotors, drill and slotted rotors for better performance on braking and stuff. These cars already come with a really little braking system. As you guys can tell, the rotor is pretty small, you know. And if you come to the back, the car comes with some rear drums on the back. So it's not like a full caliper rotor set. It has like rear drums on the back. But yeah, it's a pain in the ass to change. And I paint them black because they are starting to rust out. So I bought a new pair. I did the whole service on them. I painted them black with my buddy, and now they look like that. I think it looks pretty good. So yeah, that's it. That's a pretty flush fitment right there. In the future, I'm thinking about some negative camber on there going on, and then lowering it more so the fender is like right in the middle of the tire. But that's just for the future. All right. Last mod from this angle, I got window visors right there on the windows. I think for these cars, it looks very good. I don't know what it is, but I think it completes the car perfectly. Without it, just imagine it without it. It will look like plain. Honestly, I don't really like it. Also, 5% tint all around. Also, I got some carbon fiber handles out of eBay. And also got myself some carbon fiber mirror cups from eBay as well. So let's go to the rear of the car. So this car, I don't know why I didn't come with the spoiler, but the spoiler, I put it myself. It's an SI style spoiler for it. The third light, of course, works and everything. And for me doing that again, you guys can tell that the taillights are different too. So these taillights, they're actually really cool because they have the day running lights right there. It looks really really mint, honestly. And the backup lights, they'll pop like right over here, white, and this is the side. Um, the freaking turn light. It looks pretty good in my opinion. Way better than stock for sure. If you guys haven't seen a stock light from these cars, they're pretty boring. Just two light bulbs right there, and it's awful. It makes the car look old. So got these ones from eBay. They were a little too spendy, but honestly, I feel it makes the rear end look way better. So I think this is it for the rear end of the car. Oh, also, in the future, I am planning on getting rear bumper diffuser. They sell on eBay. It will completely transform the rear end of this car. So if you guys are trying to stick around for it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. It doesn't cost you anything. It just supports me and it keeps me motivated to keep going and keep making content for you guys. So yeah, guys, like I said, muffler delete, coilovers, rims, adjustable control arms, carbon fiber, visors, spoiler, tail lights, headlights, grill. So yeah, for the outside of the car, this is what it looks like right now. So yeah, there is definitely more mods to go. Side skirts, front lip, rear diffuser. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff that I want to do to this car. If you guys support, I'll try to bring it as fast as I can. So yeah, now let's move on to the interior. So the interior is quite interesting. So we're gonna open the car. All right. So from here, it's just a basic interior, boring, blah 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 blah. Ignore that mod. That was when I did a raining video for my TikTok. So if you guys haven't followed me on TikTok, go ahead and follow so you guys can know what I'm talking about. I'm sorry, it's dirty. So from here, it looks quite normal for a Honda Civic. But I mean, yeah, this is how it looks like right now. So we're gonna start it so you guys can tell what I'm talking about. Oh, there you go. So we got some ambient lighting. Hold on so you guys can see it better. So you guys can see this screen is not from this car. I got it from eBay. It comes with like Apple CarPlay and all that stuff. YouTube. If I plug in my phone data, YouTube will work, Netflix, you name it. But yeah, this is how my car looks like right now. Oh, sorry. I should have done that. So yeah, this is like the ambient lighting looks like right now. Even in the rear over there, got some pads for long road trips. I mean, that's about it for the interior. Um, Nothing crazy to it. In the future, of course, I want to like add fiber over here on these door controls. Also, maybe carbon fiber steering wheel would be awesome. It's my dream to have one of those. They're a little too spendy. So on eBay that they sell this whole trim right here in carbon fiber. They even sell a carbon fiber glove box. So yeah, guys, like there's a long way for this car to be done. All right, so you guys just saw every single mod that I have done to the car so far. You guys can tell it's not very much, but it gives the car a little taste. It makes it look like less stock. Like people look at it a little more, and I know pretty much everything is cosmetic. I didn't show you guys the engine bay because nothing has been done to it. It's completely stock, so slow as hell. Low and slow. um, but I do have a surprise for you guys actually. So let me show you guys real quick. So right over here in the trunk, here is what I'm talking about. It's in this box. So pretty much just a quick unboxing so you guys can tell what it is. It's not a front lip, I wish. Front lip will come soon. Sorry, I'm having some technical difficulties. Apologize. Alright, before I take the plastic off, I'll give you 3 seconds to comment. What do you guys think this is? 1, 2, 3. Alright. So for those that said it was a fucking front lip. It is not. We just got a rear window visor for the car.
Oh my god!
It's an RS style, and I got it from eBay. Oops, that was a little too hard. So it should fit right this. That looks freaking sick. That looks really awesome. So it seems like it fits perfectly, and yeah, I mean, that's how it looks. Yeah, I think it looks freaking sick, and we're gonna be installing it shortly. It's getting a little too late, so we're gonna do it tomorrow, which is when I'm gonna be editing this video. So tomorrow you guys gonna see it, how the finished look of this car. You guys, I'll try to bring you guys like at least a little mod every video, just for y'all. It's gonna be a tomorrow problem, not today. Now I'm gonna go get dinner because I'm hungry as hell. But yeah, this is it. It's all the mods of the car. So see you all tomorrow for the install. All right, after like 30 minutes, putting the 3M tape, it's been installed. This is how it looks like right now. I kind of like it, you know. It kind of helps with the, you know, because there's like the spoiler and the visors, and there was nothing on the window, so it kind of makes it look better. All right, so this will wrap up the video for today. Hit the subscribe button, like it. If you guys want to keep watching some more content, let me know ideas in the comments for the next video, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.